In this video, I'll show you how to add conversion rate in Looker Studio reports step by step so you can create a reusable metric for better analysis. Start by opening your report and locating the data pane on the right, then select the data source that includes both your conversions and total audience fields. Click Add a field and choose Calculated Field, then name it clearly like conversion rate. In the formula section, divide your conversions by your audience, using the correct field names from your dataset. In most cases, applying aggregation like sum ensures the calculation reflects totals rather than row-level values. After applying, the new metric will appear in your data source and can be used in charts, tables, or scorecards. If the result seems off, double-check field selection and aggregation logic. This approach keeps your reporting consistent and scalable. Subscribe for more practical tech tutorials.